Welcome back to Devil's Dishes All. Today we have barbecue sauce with a little kick. Okay, so here we have the wet ingredients. We have 2 cups of ketchup, third of a cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, half cup of mustard, third of a cup of treacle or molasses, and don't be lazy like me and wash a bigger pot. Now for our dry ingredients, we have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of black pepper, a half a tablespoon of salt, and a half a cup of brown sugar. Okay, so I bit the bullet, wash the bigger pot. Now give it a good mix and you should end up with something like this. So if you want to keep going, get all them lumps out of it. Any lumps, squash them up against the pot. Give it a good stir. Make sure we get them all out of it. Then we just slowly bring it to the boil, and once it just starts boiling, lower it down really low for about 20 to 30 minutes. And there you go. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy.